Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for northern Charlottetown County in north central and North Carolina until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located 6 miles near Charlottetown, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated rotation threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those cops without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Charlottetown County at 6:45 p.m. This includes Interstate 4 between mile markers 7 and 14. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please locate a tornado or strong winds to the National Weather Service office in Blacksburg. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in North Carolina, Charlottetown County,